Hello, my name is Atanu Halder. I am a student of EIILM-Kolkata. My stream is BBA in Hotel and Hospitality Management. Today we are making Mediterranean Garbanzo salad.
So here we have the following ingredients. We have the garbanzo, that is the chickpeas, we have the brown peas, we have the green peas, we have a lot of colorful vegetables such as the zucchini, the carrots, the bell peppers, and we have the chicken. This we can use chicken also, we can make it vegetarian also, but here we have thought of making it non-veg, so we are going to put roast chicken in it. So here we begin. This salad will again give you a wholesome nutrition. As everybody knows, this is rich in protein. This is again rich in protein, and it has a lot of vitamins and minerals. We have flavorings. This is little apart from the traditional salads where we mix the ingredients. Here we are actually cooking the ingredients and we are putting the dressing itself in the fire so that we get a unique taste. Firstly, we will roast the chicken. We have the marinated chicken here. We have marinated it with lemon juice and salt. We can put a little bit of more lemon juice in it. Little bit of this orange, just to enhance the flavor. We'll let it cook for some time. As we close the lid, we'll transfer this to this flame. Here we'll start with the salad. We put some oil. If you want to make it more healthy, put some olive oil. Flip it up. Right. Yes. Keep it there. Close the lid. Here we'll put some garlic. Little bit of ginger. Ginger is again optional. Then we can put the vegetables, the carrots. We want it to be vibrant color. Let's put some salt. Let's put the zucchini. Then let's put the bell peppers. Let's put some tomato. This salad is going to be crisp and crunch so that the juiciness is retained within the salad. See the chicken. Not yet done. Close it up. Put some green peas. That's it. You can see the excellent color. More of tomatoes. Now we are going to put the garbanzo. A healthy addition to your diet. To add freshness to the salad. Toss, 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 quickly toss. We'll add a little bit of coriander in it, or you can replace it with parsley. This chicken is yet to be done. Chicken to cook. See the chicken, it is already ready. See. Now we will place the chicken in the salad. Give me the cover. You just cover it for 2 minutes so that the flavor of the chicken gets fully mingled in the salad.
hot dish is ready. Please try this at home and let us know how is it.
Thank you.